Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Hyundai Santa Fe. If you guys have a Hyundai Santa Fe, you have engine light on and any of the following codes such as code P0078, code P0079 or code P0080. Stay with us, we will explain what most likely causes that and how to fix it. Now, you hope guys, the last thing that we're going to talk about, that's not the case, because if it is guys, it's going to cost you a whole bunch of money and labor to fix your car. But other than that, most of the times it's really quick fix and we will explain what it is. Now, you don't need to remove your engine, we have it out because we'll be making a bunch of videos that can probably guys save you thousands of dollars. So let's start on it now. So this should work on Hyundai Santa Fe generation 2013 all the way to year 2016 guys, with a 2.4 GDI engine. Now let me introduce you to the channel quick. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix practically anything guys. Why we do all that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. This engine, okay, will be completely taken apart. Transmission will show you how to fix almost anything on it. Another thing, if you need to buy any parts or tools guys, okay, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all the tools and parts from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. That's where we get all our supplies from. So this right here, okay, this is the engine. And before we start, let me tell you guys, if you have a Hyundai with a 2.4 GDI engine or other cars, check our main channel, Auto Repair guys. We have helped more than 110 million people guys. We have information that can save you thousands of dollars. So let's start on it now. So let's explain guys what can cause that. But before we start, many of you guys constantly ask me in the comment section below to share the computer that we use for diagnostics. So we'll put the link in the description of the video below so you can find out more about it. But this is it guys, this is our daily computer that we use constantly. It works on almost any car you can think of. If you want to check the functions that it supports, which are enormous amount guys, check out the link. Also, it can pay itself off practically in one-time use guys. So what we have specifically here, that's the 2.4 GDI engine out of a 2013 Hyundai. We need to go ahead and remove the upper engine cover. The moment we remove that upper engine cover, you can see how open the engine gets. You can see quite a bit guys. Now you need to locate where the intake and the exhaust manifold is located. Intake manifold is where the car gets its air from. Follow the hose from the intake box, from the air filter box to the intake, and air will get in the cylinders with fuel, burn and come through the exhaust on the back side of the engine. Now the codes that we have, they relate to bad variable timing solenoid on the exhaust camshaft. So the exhaust camshaft should be on the back side of the valve cover. And looking at it guys, on the cylinder head, if you come on the back side of the engine, you have that device right here. This is known as VVT solenoid or variable timing solenoid for the exhaust camshaft. So what can go wrong to get these codes guys? Number one, you need to inspect the wiring harness to make sure it's not broken or cut anywhere. Number two, make sure it's plugged in, and make sure guys that you don't have any oil contamination inside or water if you washed your engine. Make sure it didn't rust or anything like that. Leaking valve cover can easily drip inside the wires, and that can cause guys, okay, interruption of the signal, and that can cause these codes. But the most common thing that we see here is a dirty solenoid or malfunctioning solenoid. So we'll go ahead, remove it and show you guys, okay, what it looks like. If you want to see the complete video for the replacement, we have it on the channel and we will explain what to do if it's stuck. But dirty solenoid, it will be sticking, it may not work correctly, and that can cause the problem. We have a special video that explains how to clean VVT solenoid on Hyundai Santa Fe and how to test it as well, so please check it out. Let's say you clean it, test it, it's still you still get these codes, and at that point you replace it with a new solenoid and you still get this code. You hope that's not the case. Most likely you have a bad sprocket gear on the exhaust camshaft, the one that's the actuator for the variable timing, and you will need to remove the timing chain and all that stuff to replace it, which could be expensive. But if you do it yourself, not so expensive. We will have the complete video on the channel if that's the case. So hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.